I'm going to show you how I turn a 30-minute conversation into a full week content for multiple platforms without just sitting there staring at a blank page. I'm not going to just talking about it. I'm actually showing you right now in this video. In the next few minutes, you will see the complete system and every step I do. You will see how I go from a topic idea to content that is ready to be published. If you are a solopreneur who feels like that content is the thing eating your time and killing your momentum, here's the thing I want you to know upfront. I stopped creating content for 6 months. Why? Because the old process was really painful. And now things completely changed when I started to use Claude Code. And what I'm going to show you today is what I built with Claude Code. By the end of this video, you will see the full content system, and I will help you figure out what's the right step for you specifically. Hi, I'm Joy. I'm a former Deloitte consultant. And for the past year, I've been building an AI-first solopreneur business. I built this content system because I really need it. I don't have a team. I only have 2 to 4 hours focused time per day. And the content was swallowing half of it. And what I was producing didn't even sound like me. Here is how. Most solopreneurs approach content in the same way. They block out time, sit down, open a blank document, and try to produce something valuable. What happens? Either nothing comes out, or what comes out is generic. It sounds like content you already read somewhere else. Here's what's actually happening underneath it. You are asking your brain to do 2 things simultaneously: come up with original idea and perform on demand. That's not how creativity works. Your best insights come when someone asks you the right question, not when you are staring at the screen. And the second problem, even when you write something good, you write it for one platform, then you have to rewrite it for the next one and the next one. Let me share with you what was my old process with ChatGPT. Every single session, I start from scratch and to share who is my audience, what is my tone, what is my preference, and then I ask for outline. Then we write the full script, then revision. And then separately, GPT needs to help me come up with thumbnail prompts, title options, hashtags. It takes hours in front of the computer every time. And the output, even when it was technically correct, it didn't sound like me because it wasn't coming from me. It was ChatGPT filling in what it thought I would say. After doing this for a while, I hit a wall. Then I stopped writing content for 6 months. It was not because of laziness. It was pure exhaustion from a process that felt like fighting every time. What broke this cycle was not motivation. It wasn't willpower. It was building a different system. Here's a shift that changed everything. And it started with one simple realization about how I actually think. I noticed something. I'm really good at answering questions. I'm terrible at writing on a blank page. So I built a system around that. Think about it. When someone asks you a focused question, your brain doesn't need to invent anything. It recalls. You go into the conversation mode. And that's where your real ideas live. The specific stories, unexpected angles, the things you actually think, not the things you should say. The insight unlocked this. Every piece of great content is really just someone answering a question really well. So why not start there? I tried waking up early for focused writing time, but my brain felt empty, no direction, just trying to feel what I want to say at that moment. It is completely ineffective. What if I let Claude Code generate the questions and email them to me? What if I answer that on a walk with no desk in front of me, with no pressure on me? After I answered all the questions that Claude Code sent to my email, I replied to that email and Claude Code generated a full script to me. When I read the script, I was so surprised, not just by the speed, but by the quality of the content, because everything in the output comes from me. Claude Code used my actual words, actual stories. So when I read the script, I felt connection. It sounded like me because it was me. So before, ChatGPT gave me the script that I have no feeling for. Now, the scripts are written based on my ideas, and they are structured better than I would have organized them than myself. Okay, let me stop talking about it and actually show you. Here is every step of the system. The first step is topic validation. Let's say I want to create today's video, how to build an AI content system. Let's say this week I want to focus on the topic, how I create an AI content system. So I will let AI to prepare the interview questions for me. And Claude will start to work on these questions, and it will send a list of questions to my email. Then when I want to take a walk in the park, when I have some free time, I can just open that email from my phone, and then I click on reply. Then I just reply to each question without typing. I actually prefer to just use the voice to text to answer it. I don't need to care about the wording. I just let my thoughts flow with me. And once I finish all the questions, I just send back to Claude. Then later when I go back home, I tell Claude, I already replied to your email. Then Claude will read that email and started to generate scripts for all the format that I defined. I want to make a YouTube video, and I also want to make a YouTube shorts. Then AI did that for me. Then once it's done, I got the full script. You see here, AI content system, right? It has all the script I need. And more than that, you see, it proposes a few good titles and you score to assess it. For example, the first title it gave me is Watch Me Turn a 30-minute interview into 5 platforms of content. Live demo, it got 10 points out of 12. So I can choose the title that I think is most appropriate. Also, it tells me how to design the thumbnail and what text should on this thumbnail, and also a prompt to create that image. And it also gives me a YouTube upload package, also YouTube description, and from SEO point of view, what text I should attach. It also drafts me the first comment to pin immediately after publishing. See, amazing, right? So I don't need to sit in front of the computer. I just decide the topic, then ask Claude to send me an email with all the interview questions. Then I can answer the questions whenever I want, wherever I want. Once I reply to it, it starts to write those scripts for me. So I don't spend a lot of time sitting in front of the computer. I can just be very relaxing, sitting here and talking to you. So if you are watching this and thinking, I also want this kind of content system, but I don't know where I actually am or what to build first, I made something for you. So if you are also a solopreneur who want to automate your business with AI to free your time, if you don't know where you actually are and what to start first, I made something for you. I developed a test for myself, but I also want to share it with you. It's called Founder Growth Test. To answer a few questions in 2 minutes, it will give you a personalized report breakdown of exactly where you are in building your AI solopreneur business. And it will advise you what to focus on next. The result is specific to where you are. The link is in the description. It's completely free. Just spend 2 minutes and take it out. So today I share my approach on how I generate content in a way that doesn't consume much of my time, and I feel so happy about it. And I would love to share more about my experience building AI assisted business with you. So subscribe this channel and I will see you in the next video. If you are currently building your one-person business and you encounter any bottleneck, please leave a message. If more people want the same topic, I will also make a video for it. See you in the next one.